Hey guys, so I've ordered few things from Nykaa. So let's start. So these are the facial wipes of from Johnson Baby Skincare, and these are the pack of two. So I've got like 60 rupees off in this. MRP is 460 and I've got in 400. First product is this. Second product is this is a pack lash fixer I've ordered. This is 395. So yeah, second product is it. Third product is Nykaa lashes, which I've ordered. I will try this for the first time. This is the name Lash Talk Real Deal and MRP is 199. Fourth product is this panty liner. These are very good. And I've ordered this blueberry rebalancing watery sun cream. I'm really excited to try this sunscreen. This is for 800 and this is a 45 PA+++. And I've ordered same variant cleanser. This is also blueberry rebalancing 5.5 cleanser and this is for 450. And I've received with these two products free travel size kit, Becha, I think. So here is this Innisfree facial foam, and this is toner, skin toner, triple skin, and this is lotion. So yeah guys, this is it. These are the few products which I've ordered. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.